This is the new Ford F-150 Raptor R with 700 horsepower and with a $110,000 price tag. It is powered by a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, borrowed from the GT500 Shelby, especially modified for the new Raptor. Ford made tweaks in the name of durability, with the supercharged V8 adopting a new oil cooler and filter, a deeper oil pan for aggressive grades, and a revised intake system with a wider air inlet. The standard Raptor's 10-speed automatic remains on duty complete with unchanged gear ratios. Primary changes aim to maintain reliability when paired to the torquier supercharged V8. The dampers are electronically controlled, and use height sensors to tune the suspension accordingly. Subscribe now to Auto TV.